How to disable safeguard holds for feature updates in Windows. Safeguard holds stop Windows 10 devices from updating when issues are detected. But sometimes, IT admins need to bypass these blocks to test or validate updates. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to Ninja One's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. How do I disable safeguards for feature updates? Before disabling safeguard holds in Windows 10, make sure your system meets these requirements: Windows 10 version 1809 or later, a Pro, Enterprise, or Education Edition with Windows Update for Business administrator rights, and access to either the Group Policy Editor or Registry Editor. Method 1. Disable safeguard holds via Group Policy Editor. For managed IT environments, the Group Policy Editor is the safer option. It reduces the risk of typos or mistakes compared to editing the registry. Keep in mind that this is available only in Windows 10 Pro, Enterprise, and Education, and requires administrative privileges. Open Group Policy Editor. To do this, press Windows + R, type gpedit.msc, hit Enter. Go to Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, Windows Components, Windows Update, Windows Update for Business. Double-click Disable Safeguards for feature updates. Set it to Enabled, then click Apply and OK. Windows Update will now ignore safeguard holds and install updates. Method 2. Disable safeguard holds via Registry Editor. This method works on all Windows 10 editions, including Home, but since the Registry Editor is risky, it's best for advanced users. Be sure to back up the registry first. First, open Registry Editor. Press Windows + R, type regedit, and press Enter. On the right pane, find Disable WUFB Safeguards. If it exists, set its value to 1. If it doesn't, right-click, choose New DWORD 32-bit value, name it Disable WUFB Safeguards, and set it to 1. Restart your PC. After reboot, Windows Update will skip safeguard holds. How do I re-enable safeguard holds? To restore protection against known update issues, re-enable safeguard holds. In Group Policy, set Disable Safeguards for feature updates to Not Configured. In the registry, change Disable WUFB Safeguards to 0 or delete it. Why disable safeguard holds in Windows 10? Safeguard holds in Windows 10 block updates to protect devices, but they can also slow down IT tasks. Disabling them lets IT teams test new Windows versions earlier in lab environments and safely install updates when known issues don't affect their specific setup. Turning off safeguard holds in Windows 10 gives IT admins greater control over feature updates, making it easier to manage deployments in test, pilot, or standardized environments. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to disable safeguard holds for feature updates in Windows, linked in the description below.